Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It is Tara Elizabeth, and I thought today it would be fun to do a little makeup look. I've never really done like a full-blown like dark black smoky eye, so I figured what better way than to try with a YouTube video. So we're gonna kind of go through the process together and see what happens. So if you're interested in hearing about what's going on and see me do my makeup, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okie dokie, y'all. Let's start. Obviously, as always, primer. Anything if I like forget to mention it, I will list it in the description below. I'll try to like keep on top of telling y'all what I'm doing. I'm using the Morphe eyeshadow primer. I really want to try the P. Louise one, but I just haven't got that yet. I'm gonna use my brush that I usually use for like under eye powder, and I'm just gonna go over my eyes with that. All right, so we're a little bit time sensitive because I have a meeting that I have to be at for my graduate position. It's just like on Zoom, but it's in like 45 minutes, so we're gonna try to get through this one real quick. So I feel like this is totally random, but I feel like I obviously talk a lot about what I'm doing and what's going on in my life, and I want to hear from some of y'all like in the comments, like how you're doing, what you're up to, stuff like that. I don't know, I just like having like, I want to be able to like chat with y'all a little bit more and stuff. I think that would be fun. So yeah, let me know like what y'all are up to, if you're in school, what you're doing, whatever. I have just been, yesterday I went to the doctor's for my ankle. Here, I'm going to talk and work at the same time. So I'm going to go in with the James Charles palette. I'll try to like tell you the colors as I'm doing them. If I forget one, I apologize. So I'm going to go in with Flashback, which is that like super white color, and a large M441 brush from Morphe. And I'm just going to put this all over my whole entire lid, from like lid up to the brow bone, just as kind of like a base for us. So I went to the doctor's yesterday for my ankle. I got in a little bit of trouble because I was like walking on it and stuff, and I shouldn't really have been doing that. I'm going to go in with the color Code James, which is kind of like, I'm actually going to go in probably with these two in my like upper crease. I think I was walking on it a little bit more than I should have been, so that's not great. They took off the cast, so I'm very happy about that. But he did put me into a boot, so I don't really know how long I'll be in that for. I've got to do physical therapy, so that is scheduled for next Thursday, I believe. So we shall see how that goes. I've done quite a bit, just because of like other injuries and stuff. I've done a lot of physical therapy in the past, so I kind of know what to expect. So I'm gonna go in with this deeper brown right here, and it is in the color No Beans. All I can think of is Beans from Even Stevens. I just had that doctor's appointment, and honestly, y'all, like, it is crazy. I am so thankful for like the absolutely sweetest girls ever in my program. They have been so helpful, like driving me around places because I can't drive because of like the cast in the boot and stuff, and like helping me with stuff and everything. Like, I am honestly so thankful because I do not know what I would have done if it like weren't for them. And for Jesse just like helping me out so much, because I mean, I'm sure some of y'all know I'm like 12 hours away from like where my sisters and my parents are. So obviously I'm nowhere near them. It's just like forever away, and I don't really have anyone out here like family wise to help me. And so I'm just like super thankful that they've been here and helping me out. So I like really appreciate them, and I just think it's so sweet, and I can't even begin to like say how thankful I am that they've all been here and like been able to help me. Okay, so now to get even more dark, because like I said, we're gonna go for like a really dark smoky eye, black, whole 9 yards. We're gonna go with Benny, which is this dark brown shade. It's kind of like a grayish brown. I'm gonna use, it's like kind of like a dome brush. It's a bit smaller than the other, like the M441. It is a Morphe brush. Like I said, my brushes are mostly from like a collection, but they no longer sell that collection on Morphe, so I'll just find like a similar one and link it for y'all. So this color we're wanting to keep lower than the other two first ones we put on. You want like your lightest shades to be out the farthest so that it's really like blown out and not too crazy. And if y'all see me looking down, I have like a mirror down here, so I'm kind of like checking there to see what I'm doing also. Yeah, like I said, I have literally never done a dark like black smoky eye before, so we shall see how this turns out and what it looks like. If I look super crazy, I apologize, and at least y'all were on the journey with me to figure out that I can't do black smoky eyes, and if it looks really great, then we can celebrate that together, I suppose. I don't really know if I want to do under eye. I feel like it's not gonna look complete without it, but I always look really scary if I try to do anything on like my lower lash line, but we can see. I mean, if I try it and it looks terrible, I can just do like makeup remover and take it off. I'm just like praying, y'all, that whenever we have this Zoom meeting, that nobody asks. Ooh, no, I'm definitely gonna have to turn on my camera. Hopefully no one says anything to me about it, but if they do, I'll just be like, I was filming the video and I wanted to be extra. Because hey, if you're not being extra, like, that's really the point. Like, I mean, come on, like, you might as well. So now, because I'm a little scared, we're gonna go back in with Benny and like a flat shader brush, and we're gonna pack this down by the lash line. I'm gonna use this as like a base before we do the black. All right, so we are looking pretty dark. I kind of like it. So we're gonna go in with Spooky, and I'm gonna put that like on my lower lid. So I'm gonna use my mirror, and we're gonna start packing this on. I'm going to have to like send a picture to Olivia, because we always talk about this. We're like, we want to do dark smoky eyes, but neither one of us has really done it. So I will have to send her a photo of this. Ooh, yes, honey, we like that. But yeah, so we've started back up clinic, and it's been good. It's been fun. I'm with a new teacher and a new partner this year, because like so the first 2 semesters, like your first year of school, we are on campus doing clinic, and we have a partner to do our clinic with. So we like switch up partners at the midway point and teachers. So like whenever the semester ended in December, when we came back in January, that's when we had a switch. But it's been going really good. I feel like I'm learning a lot more. Like last semester, I learned a lot about like hearing screenings and everything like that. And this semester, I would say like it's definitely more like hearing aid based, which is good, because like I definitely don't know as much about hearing aids and stuff as I do hearing screenings. Because where I came from for undergrad, I did clinic and stuff, so I'd already done hearing testing, and like I knew how to do that. I knew how to do like a whole comprehensive evaluation and everything, but we didn't do anything really with hearing aids because we didn't dispense them. So I wasn't too familiar with that. So I think that's good that I'm kind of getting like both sides. So I think I'm gonna stop here with my eyes. So I'm gonna start on my face, and at the end I'll see about doing the bottom lash line. I don't know. I'm like scared to try it, but we'll see. I'm gonna go in with the Nivea Sensitive Skin. I felt bad because like I do different eyeshadow looks obviously for y'all, but I don't have like, I know like a lot of YouTubers have like so many different foundations and stuff, and they're like, oh, I'm trying this new one, I'm trying this new one, whereas I pretty much just use the same 2 each time. That's all right. I mean, it works for me, and that's the kinds I like. And I have like super sensitive skin, so it does make it kind of hard, and I get like nervous whenever I'm going to like change up a foundation or anything that's gonna go like directly on my face, just because I am very nervous that we will have like allergic reaction or something. I used the Juvia's Place and the L'Oreal True Match, and I just like put a ton on. So I've got it on. I'm just using a damp beauty sponge to blend this in. Yes, we look crazy. Yes, it is okay. Yes, we're gonna look super flat and zero color, but don't worry, we will make it all come together and look good. Ooh, we are looking dead. Like, wow. It will be interesting to see once we put the bronzer, because then we're gonna look even more dead. So that will be beautiful. Okay, speaking of dead, let me tell y'all, I know I'm late on the train. I know that. I fully accept that, and I'm definitely like bandwagon hopper on her. Guys, I can't even take myself seriously. This looks so creepy. I'm sorry that you're having to watch me look like this. I promise it matches my neck. But yeah, we look crazy. Okay. Me and Jesse watched. He'd already watched it, but he like convinced me to watch it, and like my little sister Cameron has watched the show and is a huge fan, and so they finally convinced me to watch Haunting of Hill House. Like I said, I know I'm late. The point is, it was so good. I really enjoyed the show. I literally, the mom on there is so gorgeous, and like I want to be her so badly. I think she's absolutely amazing. Obviously, in the end, no crazy. But no, it is such a good show. Like, I thought it was gonna be a whole lot scarier than it was. So I was like, no, I don't want to watch this show. Like, because I don't really like scary shows. So I was very nervous to watch it whenever we started. But luckily, it wasn't too bad. I didn't think it was that scary. There were like 2 or 3 parts that like really scared me. I'm sure everyone who's watched it knows. It was like in one of like the last episodes. I'm sure y'all all know. That definitely scared me. But other than that, I didn't think it was too scary. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, I used the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and then now I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil for my bronzer. No, I absolutely loved it. I thought it was such a good show. Cameron is trying to convince me to watch Bly Manor. I think I'm gonna wait. Jesse is currently like out of town, so I think I'm gonna wait until he gets back and we can watch it together. I want to rewatch Hill House though, because I feel like now that I know all the secrets since I finished it, I want to like go back and rewatch so I can like all the things they like reveal at the end. I want to be able to like be rewatching it and be like, oh okay, like I actually know what's going on now. Yesterday I got my hair cut. My friend Sonia cut it for me. She's actually the one who took me to the doctor and everything. So yeah, it was super sweet of her and it looks amazing and I'm so happy. I'm gonna go in with the Milani Make It Last setting spray. I really like this. It's a great price and it works very well. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this before I put like mascara or anything on. But I use for blush the Milani, I don't know if it's a baked blush. It's in the shade Dolce Pink. Yeah, it's a big powdered blush. All right, I'm gonna do my, I don't even think we need a winged liner. I'm just gonna do like straight liner across. I'm gonna do that real quick, so I'm not gonna film me. I am back. We've got my mascara on. I did bottom mascara, so I don't think I'm gonna do anything underneath my eyes, but we need highlighter and lipstick. I don't wanna go too crazy with the highlighter because this is like a darker look, so I'm gonna go in. It's no longer Stealth. I hate this, but I'll like link something similar. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. This is literally, I love this so much. It is definitely a second place to the Tarte one, but yeah, I really hate that it was like only a limited time thing. It makes me very sad. And like I said, I'll list the brushes and everything I'm using down below. I'm gonna just do a tiny bit of inner corner highlight. See, already looking a bit more alive. Okay, we got like 5 minutes and I need to pick a lipstick because we looking dead. I really want to do like a red lip. So I think I'm going to try the red lipstick and we'll see what we think. I've got a lip liner. I'm gonna use, it's a Rimmel London Exaggerate full color lip liner, and it's in the shade 024 Red Diva. So I'm gonna do this off camera and then I'll come back. Okay guys, so I did the red lip and I definitely think I like this better than the other ones I tried. So I used the Maybelline New York, and it is one of their liquid lipsticks. It's in the shade 20 Pioneer. This literally beautiful, like my all-time favorite. I've been looking for a really long time to find a good like true red lipstick. I absolutely love it. So yeah, I think it looks nice with the eye. It definitely brings like a little bit more pop. I mean, I feel like if I went a little bit like darker on the eyes and didn't have like the brown at the top, we'd definitely be getting like a Morticia Addams vibe, which who doesn't want that? Like, come on, seriously. I mean, I know we're like moving into the spring weather, but hey, it's all right. So yeah, I was just gonna let y'all know for if you do like under eye makeup, because like I said, I really don't. You could either do a white or a nude pencil on your inner waterline on the bottom, and then you could go in with the shade Spooky from the James Charles palette and like a flat shader brush and put that really tight along your lash line, and then go back in with those browns on a pencil brush and just kind of smoke it out to get it like more blown out and not as like harsh and dark. So I mean, it would still be super dark, it just wouldn't be like just a line, if you like, I hope that makes sense. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the look today. I really hope y'all enjoyed. I hope you like these like makeup tutorials. Let me know. They're like definitely my favorite to do. I do enjoy like vlogging and stuff. I want to try to do more hair tutorials because I had someone in the comments ask about doing one, so I'll definitely try to do that like in the next week or two or something. Vlogging's just kind of been hard, like with me being on crutches and everything. Like I can't hold like the camera or like the tripod and stuff, and like trying to be talking to y'all with also like trying to keep upright and on my crutches and everything. It's just kind of been a lot of work. So yeah, that's kind of why I haven't been doing it as much. But I really hope y'all enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments below what y'all are up to, what you think of it, and make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit that bell so you can get notified every single time I post, which are Saturdays at 4 p.m. And then you can also follow me on Instagram at It's Tara Elizabeth with 2 underscores. That's more just kind of like my everyday, like quick little snippets in my life, just to see what I'm up to, and totally feel free to message me on there. I usually message everyone back. So I hope y'all all enjoyed the video and have a happy and safe weekend, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye guys.